The most unusual wax a customer has brought here, and is actually pretty fun, is a Star of David that's made up of 2 slices of pizza.
New York City, we got pizza. And I know I'm a little biased, but it's the best pizza in the world. And our friend Adam from Clrd Jewels was able to actually make this in CAD. And we obviously printed it and casted it for him. He's got a little hatchet in the back there as part of his symbol. That's just wonderful. And something that a lot of young people do not even know what it is a turntable, a record player. The handle with the player, with the needle and the turntable there, that's just wonderful. Now, I said also that some of your occupations you can represent with 3D printing and with CAD. And then, you can cast it and have it with you. And what he did wonderfully, he created a serrated blade, cleaver, butcher's knife, I would guess, or just a regular knife, for carving. It's got the grip. It's got the serrations here on the blades. Isn't that great? I mean, imagine giving this to a friend of yours that likes to cook or happens to be a chef. And of course, that's not the only occupation. Look at this. Broad axe, a double broad axe. He did the handle exactly the way it's made. You can hold it here and it has a little bit wider here so your hand doesn't slip out as you're chopping the wood. This is great stuff. This is what I mean by taking a concept and bringing it to life. It doesn't have to be just jewelry or great big art. Something that's near and dear to your heart or near to dear to your client's heart. You can make it on CAD. You can bring it to us. We can raise it up in our 3D printing machine and we can cast it for you. And this will last and be with you and your client forever.
It's really cute. I love it so much. I would wear it.
Only at Carrera.